Hey guys, Nathan from Innovelli here with a all new product, the LZW45. I wanted to show you a couple of the things that you can do with it, specifically from the controller side. So some of the things that come up, how do you factory reset this device? It's actually pretty simple. Press and hold this rectangular button here, it tells you to hold it. Once you hit 5 seconds in, it'll go green or red depending on if you're within Z-Wave range. 10 seconds in, you actually enter configuration mode. So again, these are very standard for Innovelli. You know, we do this with all our switches. And then once you hit to 20 seconds, it'll actually turn red and it'll say reset. You release it, it blinks 3 times, and the devices come factory reset. They've got the RGB, and then it'll turn 100% white brightness, which still just amazes me how bright that is. So any questions you guys have, feel free to leave a comment below or send a note to contact@innovelli.com. Thanks guys.